Good morning, everybody. This is Bryce coming at you once again from Velocity Powersports in Ladson, South Carolina. We had a very eventful Saturday afternoon this previous Saturday, right before Easter. We had a bunch of different people come in and we hosted an event just to kind of give back to the community. We had food trucks set up, a bouncy house, and a stunt group out of Raleigh, North Carolina come in to do some tricks to perform for the crowd just for a little bit this last Saturday. And to say that they nailed it would be an understatement. These guys are very skilled riders and wonderful gentlemen. I had the opportunity to meet with all three of the riders. The first rider being Charlie Ross, the second rider being a Mr. Eric Trimmer, and the third rider being Ryan Wasselchak. And like I said, these guys were wonderful gentlemen. They gave me the opportunity to take their performance and post it onto the YouTube page for you guys to enjoy. So this is a pretty special video, a little bit long, but I think you guys are gonna like this content, and I think that it's an easy watch in comparison to what I normally do. So you guys enjoy and come check us out sometime. We'd love to have y'all down here in the showroom. Got all kinds of stuff for y'all, so if you're looking for something to do this summer, if you're looking for the right unit for the right needs and the right price, you know where to find us, guys. We'd love to help set you up with that. You guys take it easy for the rest of this week. Enjoy this video, enjoy your time with loved ones, and take it easy. God bless. I can bang my head to. Yeah, shut the hell up. I'm making surgery.